Now, if you're in the manufacturing side, there's a little more to it. But same thing, we've got that enhanced planning pack to plan your purchasing, plan your production, do your forecasting, those sorts of things. Once we've planned everything out, we send it out to be scheduled. And there's two applications for that. One is, hey, this is a theme. One is free and one is more advanced. So the advanced planning and scheduling allows you to automatically generate a production schedule. The graphical scheduler is free. And again, everybody should use this, even if you're not doing manufacturing, because it does allow you to actually plot all sorts of data within Business Central, including things like scheduling your picks, or maybe scheduling your warehouse shipments, or even your loading dock for receipts, all those sorts of things. It gives you a graphical way, a visual way of seeing the information in Business Central that's time-based, right? So stuff going out the door, stuff coming in the door, manufacturing, those types of things, that's what it can handle. Now, once we've scheduled it, we send it out to the shop floor for execution. And there we've got, the MES solution. So it allows us to capture, labor. So we've got labor traceability and actual times, quality, all those sorts of things on the shop floor, and the quality inspection side as well, where we can go in and capture information about what's happening as we're producing this product. And this quality inspector, I didn't show that on the distribution side, but it works there as well, right? So if you're doing incoming quality inspections or outbound checklists before you ship things, this is a great tool for managing all of those sorts of things as well. In addition, in the manufacturing side, we've got maintenance managers. So if you want to do, CMMS, so electronic asset maintenance, we've got a solution for that as well. And even little things like our safety logbook, which is a free tool for capturing HSE events and things like that. All right, at any rate, once we've executed it, we go back and we send it out the door. This is the same stuff that we had on the warehousing side, because, hey, once we've got inventory, we got to get out the door, and we've got the ability to plan that fulfillment. So plan our shipping, to do our picking, our shipping, everything on mobile devices, and, to get it out the door with the shipping solution. So simple as that.